Here's one for the Mopar fans. We can take a look at a 1977 Chrysler Cordoba here. As you can see, T-top car. Now, 77, I believe, was the first year the Cordoba was offered with the T-top. A little over 3,600 of them were made, and actually ASC was contracted by Chrysler to put those in. So interesting car. Not a ton of these out there with the T-tops. As far as color of it, has had a repaint along the way, but this would have originally been a B3 or cadet blue car. So still original color, and interior is a cloth vinyl blend. It looks like the interior could still be original. We'll get around to that here in a little bit. Underneath the hood, 400 V8 power steering, power brakes, AC. That is paired up with a Torque Flight automatic transmission. Now, as far as the front bumper and fascia, let you look this over. Chrome's looking good on there. Grille, headlight surrounds, all very presentable. As far as the paint goes, maybe a little older repaint, but still retains a nice luster to it. Good look. Won't be afraid to show this one at any of your local shows, local cruise-ins, and take a look up and down this. Obviously, these are a long car, so you can usually see if there's a lot of body work done to them. Start to get a little ripply in a way, but you can see this one appears to be nice and straight. If you want to check out those underside pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us 507-386-1726. Wheels, beauty rings. Just take a look at those. Looks like they appear to be stock. Shifter on the column. A 40-20-40 bench seat setup. FYI, there is a dash cover on there. I have still pictures underneath it. No, that dash is not cracked. I want to make you aware of that. Let you take a look at this vinyl top also. Notepad out of the way. Vinyl top appears to be in nice shape. And of course, there is picks in the trunk, the underside, engine bay, of course. We'll tell you where to find those here in a little bit. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. They're the T-tops. Take those off for the video here. They are glass. Will be a car cover that goes with it. Some extra door panels are included, and just some miscellaneous stuff, a jack, 4-way wrench. So those things will be in the trunk when the car is shipped. As you can see, dual exhaust. Take a look up and down the driver's side here also. First of all, let me have you take a look at the rear bumper too, so you can see the idea and get a condition as far as the chrome. Back here, still presentable. There's some light, just real light scratches in it. Kind of what you can see there, but again, good shape. Won't be afraid to get in and drive this one. All right, start up at the front here. Just kind of walk you to the back, and again, paint. It has a nice luster to it. Not really a little imperfection, just a little water spot. Though you may find some here in the beauty, or excuse me, the polished trim. A little bit of a ding there, but again, being awful fussy. But trying to give you a fair shake if you're watching this video. You want to check this car out. FYI, the gentleman that owned this previously had it for about 3 to 4 years, bought it from a friend of his who had long-term ownership of this car. Now, take a look at the door panels, which again, these appear to be original. They have power windows. It's power steering, power brake car, also power driver's seat. Has AC. I've not had the compressor kick on and off. It has been converted from the R12 though. We'll pop the hood. I'll show you that here in just a little bit. Let's go ahead and fire this up. You know, hear how easily that 400 fired up. Radio powers up, but I have not been able to get a station with that. But it seems to power up. I have not got a station to come in. Wipers do work, FYI. And again, there's no crack underneath here, and I have that in the still pictures. It's just like they put it on to protect it from sun. I get sun baked, what have you. And as you can see, like oil pressure has come up, alternator gauge works. Appears fuel gauge is working. I'm sure the temperature gauge is going to come up with the temperature of the engine. Alright, slip around to the back here. A little rumble coming out of that 400. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front here. Let's pause this video a second. I want to get this hood open, check out that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
MSD ignition was added. Here's I was mentioning that the AC appears that it has been converted from the R12 to that fitting. 404 barrel, power steering, power brakes once again, and this paired up with an automatic transmission. See, there is a shut off, the heater hose. Smooth runner, sounds good. So if you're looking for a car you're not going to see every day, here you go, 1977 Chrysler Cordoba T-top car. Cadet Blue, give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.